So I'm here with my brother and a friend, and we're on the river today, and we're going on a little adventure. Martin, put on a bit of welly onto that. Woo! It's so lovely being here, getting a chance to just get on the boat. I love being on the boat when it's docked, but it's nice, it's refreshing, and isn't it a different point of view, isn't it, from driving along a road?
Look at that house, man, it's class, the old house, the lot. They really know what the hell was lovely.
I'm loving the flowers. Just the flowers among the reeds. And there's the hay. So the river is full of boats today, and the fields are full of tractors. Look at that. I'm thinking about the scripture where it says, fields are white unto harvest. But where are the workers? You know, the fields need workers, and the Lord wants Christians not to be sitting on their hands, but to be sharing the good news. The gospel, the word gospel means good news. Now, friend, sometimes you have to hear the bad news before you can understand what the good news means, how to appreciate the good news. But I hope you won't be taking offense when I say that if you're a Christian, that you pray and ask God how you can pray and ask God for the courage to share your faith, to share the truth. And if you're not a Christian, I think you should pray and ask God to have you fit for heaven, to have you fit for death, to be ready for when the time comes. So you know the difference between the fake and the real. Wow.
That was a bit under the buck, probably she was.